Hi, I'm Phoebe Kelso, and this is Physics 2211, Lab 4, Oscillations. For an introduction, the purpose was to track an oscillating swinging spring and observe the changes with energy within the system. And the system in question is spring, mass, and Earth, and surroundings are none. Some physics principles used were Newton's second law, the energy principle, gravitational force, and spring force. And then for brief findings, I was able to model the behavior of the ball using GlowScript, which aligned with the tracker data. Here are the formulas. F equals ma is Newton's second. Here are the position and velocity formulas, update formulas, and force of gravity, force of spring, period of oscillation, and potential energy of the spring. Here's the GlowScript code, and these are the initial conditions which we had to define, as well as gravitational constant, spring constant, all of those. And these are just some spring specifications and then energy stuff so we can define those and make sure the energy is consistent throughout. And then here's our loop, which we again define initial energies so we can update them within the loop. And then calculating F net, and then position and velocity, and then the spring update. And then down here is the energy updates. So here I am running the code with an Excel sheet that I had imported of my tracker data. Okay, here's the finished run. Ignore this error message. But as we can see, the two model versus experiment lines converge into, or they mostly converge into a single line. For comparison, here is the tracker video showing all the data, and over here we can see the oscillations of the spring. So some potential errors that could have been made were the tracker data not being aligned from the start, and this could be an issue with aligning the axes of the graph or the starting position of the ball. And then as well not accounting for air resistance and assuming that no energy is lost to the surroundings. Those are minor issues that could have affected the outcome of the experiment. So what does it mean? A main topic of question was, is the energy system satisfied in this equation? So is energy conserved throughout the entire experiment? And I say yes, because the sum of gravitational, spring, and kinetic energy is zero throughout the entire experiment, so it is consistent. And this can be shown through the GlowScript data with the energy updates in the while loop. Thank you.